It started as an ordinary day, but sometimes the most ordinary days are the ones that change us the most. We didn't plan anything special, but life has a way of surprising us, and somehow it became something we'll always remember. Hello, everyone! Welcome to our journey together. Today isn't about a grand adventure. Simple day lang talaga, pero naging meaningful in its own way. Halika, samahan niyo kami. Tahimik lang nagsimula yung araw habang naglalakad kami sa CBD ng Guangzhou. Ang tataas ng buildings pero ang chill lang ng vibe. No pressure, nothing to chase, just walking together. Habang naglalakad, may napansin yung mga bata, mga ribbon toys. Simple lang, makulay. Pero nung hinawakan na nila, ayun na, takbuhan, tawanan, kulitan. Yung ribbons sumasayaw sa hangin, parang ang saya ng paligid bigla. At doon mo marirealize, hindi kailangan mahal o bongga para sumaya. Minsan, nasa simpleng bagay lang okay na. And in moments like this, you realize that happiness doesn't need to be chased. It just needs to be noticed. Then suddenly, something unexpected happened. May dalawang girls na lumapit. In-invite yung kids for an interview para sa children's TV show. Biglaan talaga. Parang, ha? Totoo ba to? Isang simpleng moment pero may malaking opportunity. After a few days, tumawag sila. Accepted ang mga bata. It felt like the start of something bigger, something exciting for them. Siyempre, proud kami. Excited. Sobrang saya. Pero napaisip kami, ano ba talaga ang mas importante? And as parents, we realize not every opportunity is meant to be taken right away. Sometimes, the best decision is the one that protects who they are today. In the end, we chose to take things slowly. Studies muna, growth muna, at hayaan silang maging bata. Because opportunities may come again, but childhood only happens once. Pagdating ng gabi, kumain kami ng dinner. Simple lang, walang kaarte-arte. Pero ang saya ng table. Yung mga bata excited sa lahat. Sa pagkain, sa order nila, sa sharing nila. At that moment, parang kumpleto na lahat. Walang kailangang ipagdiwang. Basta magkakasama, okay na. Because at the end of the day, it's not the food or the place that matters. It's the people sitting at the table with you. Earlier that day, may nadaanan din kaming maliit na crowd. May chef na gumagawa ng Xiaopang Fei Bing. Iniikot-ikot yung dough sa hangin. Parang ang dali lang sa kanya. Parang nanonood ka ng show, hindi lang cooking. Medyo katulad siya ng turon sa Philippines. Pero iba yung style and may iba't ibang flavors. Siyempre, tinry namin. Bumili rin kami ng drinks at ice cream sa Mishwe Bing Chang na halos kahit saan meron dito. Hindi siya planado, pero yung mga ganitong moment, sila yung tumatatak. Simple lang, pero masaya. The smallest moments often become the biggest memories. Later that night, sumakay kami ng taxi papuntang Canton Tower. Habang umaandar yung sasakyan, nakikita namin ang city. Fully lit na, kumikislap sa gabi. Ang ganda ng paligid, buhay na buhay yung city lights. Tapos nakita namin siya, Canton Tower. At syempre, na-amaze kami. Grabe, ang ganda niya sa personal. Iba yung dating. Parang mapapatigil ka na lang at titingin. And in that moment, you don't just see the city. You feel how small you are and how big the world can be. Wala na masyadong salita kasi ramdam mo na agad. Pagdating namin, medyo nagmadali kami, baka kasi malate. Ang daming pwedeng gawin sa loob. May exciting, may medyo nakakatakot. But we didn't feel the need to do everything. We simply chose what we could enjoy together. Umakyat kami, higher and higher. Huminto muna kami sa souvenir area.
Say hi, hi, hi. Nak. Oh, nice. Wait naman. Ano? Inuuntog na.
Ang gaganda, nakakatempt bumili. Then finally, nasa taas na kami,
Oh.
kung saan andon ang bubble tram.
Wow.
Dito muna tayo, dito muna tayo. Wow.
Wait lang.
Dito na. Let's go. Si Fife.
Pumila kami at naghintay.
Aba, ayaw nila tayo papulit.
Every six isang box. Wait together. Six.
5, 6.
At nang dumating na ang moment, pumasok na kami sa glass capsule.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, first time natin.
Hawak ka ate. Relax.
Say hi.
Tapos, dahan-dahan siyang umandar. Sa baba, kitang-kita yung city. Parang mga ilaw na kumikislap. Ang peaceful. At habang nakatingin kami, everything slowed down. And in that silence, one thing became clear. The beauty around us was amazing, but the real treasure was not the view. It was the people we shared it with. Because no matter how beautiful a place is, if you have no one to share it with, it will never feel the same. Mabilis lang lumipas yung araw. Natapos yung trip, lumalaki yung mga bata, pero yung memories, nandyan pa rin. Yung tawanan, yung simpleng saya, yung moments na hindi planado. Days like this don't come often. But when they do, they remind us of what truly matters. And wherever life takes us next, we carry these moments with us. This is our journey together. Thank you for watching.